Good morning, students. Let us continue the same topic, indigo. Today we are going to study the explanations of the passages of the lesson indigo. The lines are from the textbook. When I first visited Gandhiji in 1942 at his ashram in Sevagram in central India, he said, I will tell you how it happened that I decided to urge the departure of the British. It was in 1917. The author explains about his first interaction, means here meeting, with Mahatma Gandhi. He says that he first met Gandhiji in 1942 at his ashram, which was in Sevagram. It was located in central India. Gandhiji said that he would tell him about his struggle against the British, which first took place in the year 1917. Further lines from the textbook are: he had gone to the December 1916 annual convention of the Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. There were 2,301 delegates and many visitors. During the proceedings, Gandhiji recounted, a peasant came up to me looking like any other peasant in India, poor and emaciated, and said, I am Rajkumar Shukla, I am from Champaran, and I want you to come to my district. Gandhi had never heard of the place. It was in the foothills of the towering Himalayas near the kingdom of Nepal. There are some meanings. Convention means here agreement. Delegates means representatives. Peasant means small farmer. Emaciated means thin. Champaran, a place in Bihar. Dear students, let us have the explanation of the above passage. He says that in the month of December in the year 1916, Mahatma Gandhi went to attend the annual meeting of the Indian National Congress at Lucknow. There were about 2,301 representatives and visitors. Gandhi recalled that a small farmer named Rajkumar Shukla came to him, who was poor and thin. He requested Gandhi to visit Champaran, a place in the foothills of the Himalaya mountain range near the kingdom of Nepal. Further lines from the textbook are: under an ancient arrangement, the Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. Rajkumar Shukla was one of them. He was illiterate but resolute. He had come to the Congress session to complain about the injustice of the landlord system in Bihar, and somebody had probably said, speak to Gandhiji. Sharecroppers means a tenant farmer who gives a part of each crop as rent. Resolute means determined. Explanation of the above passage is: he told Gandhi that he was a sharecropper. A sharecropper is a farmer who gives a part of the crop as rent to the owner of that piece of land that he cultivates. He told him that because of an old agreement, many of the peasants in Champaran were sharecroppers. He had come to meet Gandhiji on someone's suggestion, as he was determined to find a solution for the sharecroppers who were facing hardships due to this agreement. He sought Gandhiji's help. Further lines from the textbook are: Gandhi told Shukla means here Rajkumar Shukla, he had an appointment in Kanpur. Earlier, the spelling of Kanpur was like this, Old English, and was also committed to go to other parts of India. Rajkumar Shukla accompanied him everywhere. Then Gandhiji returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad. Shukla followed him to the ashram For weeks he never left Gandhiji's side. Fix a date, he begged. Some meanings are: committed means dedicated, accompanied means go somewhere with someone as a companion or escort. Kanpur, British name for the city of Kanpur. Explanation of the above passage is: after hearing his problem, Gandhiji told him that he had to visit Kanpur and some other parts of India due to prior appointments. Shukla went with him everywhere. After this, Gandhi returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad. Shukla was always there with him for several weeks, begging him to fix a date to visit Champaran. Score high means, dear students, if you would like to score high marks in the examination, so you have to go through the chapter line by line and its explanation thoroughly. Impressed by the sharecropper's tenacity and story, Gandhi said, I have to be in Calcutta on such and such a date. Come and meet me and take me from there. Months passed. Shukla was sitting on his haunches at the appointed spot in Calcutta when Gandhi arrived. He waited till Gandhiji was free, then the two of them boarded a train for the city of Patna in Bihar. There Shukla led him to the house of a lawyer named Rajendra Prasad, who later became the president of the Congress party and of India. Rajendra Prasad was out of town, but the servants knew Shukla as a poor yeoman who pestered their master to help the indigo sharecroppers, so they let him stay on the ground with his companion Gandhi, whom they took to be another peasant, but Gandhiji was not permitted to draw water from the well, lest some drops from his bucket pollute the entire source. How did they know that he was not an untouchable? Some meanings are here. Tenacity means determination, haunches means thighs, boarded means get on, enter. Human means a man who cultivates a small piece of land. Pestered means bother or harass. Permitted means allowed. Explanation of the above passage is: as Gandhiji was impressed with the determination of the peasant, he said that he would be visiting Kolkata after a few months and that Shukla should meet him there on the day that had been fixed. Shukla was eagerly waiting for Gandhiji. When Gandhiji got free, they both took a train to Patna. Then they went to the house of a lawyer, Rajendra Prasad, who later became the President of India. When they reached there, he was not at home, but the servants allowed both of them to stay at the grounds because they knew Shukla. They all knew him because Shukla used to assist their master in helping indigo sharecroppers. They did not allow Gandhi to draw water from their well as they took him to be an untouchable and did not want to pollute the entire water source.